Good evening, YouTube. Today we are going to be working on finding the instantaneous velocity in calculus. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to the channel. My Cash App is with the $ up front, Fantastic Baseball. The position of the subject moving in a straight line noted by S of t is equal to t squared plus 4t plus 3. Find the instantaneous velocity when t is equal to 2. In order to go about this, first we need to know the limit definition in calculus. So, f prime of x is equal to the limit of h goes to 0 of x plus h minus f of x all over h. In this particular problem, our t is our x. So for every x, we will put 2 in place of it. So let's get started here. So first, we have to write the limit definition. F prime of x is equal to the limit of h goes to 0, and then we input 2 for x, so 2 plus h minus f of 2 all over h. And then our function here is s of t is equal to t squared plus 4t plus 3. So let's have that marinate for a little bit there. Okay. So s of t is equal to t squared plus 4t plus 3. Now, we need to find s of 2 plus h will equal 2 plus h to the power of 2, and we are replacing all the t's with 2 plus h, plus 4 times 2 plus h plus 3. And we need to expand this out here. So s of 2 plus h is equal to 2 plus h times 2 plus h. And we can simplify here by distributing. So plus 4 times 2 plus 4h and then plus 3. Now the first part, 2 plus h to the power of 2, is written twice because that represents the exponent, so we have to write that binomial out twice. So when we multiply, it is going to be outer, outer, inner, inner. So s of 2 plus h is equal to 2 times 2 plus 2h, and then inner, inner So plus 2h plus h times h, and then plus 8 plus 4h plus 3. So let's have that marinate there for a little bit. So S of 2 plus h will equal 4, and then plus, we have multiple like terms here, 2h here, 2h there, and 4h here. So 2h plus 2h plus 4h is 8h, and then plus h times h, and then plus 8 plus 3. So S of 2 plus h is equal to 4, 8, and 3 are like terms. So let's have that marinate. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So 15 plus 8h plus h times h. Now let's find S of 2. So S of 2 is going to equal 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 3, and that's going to equal 4. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 4 times 2, so plus 8, and then plus 3, and that is going to equal 15. So now we are in business. Let's have this marinate here. So the limit, so f prime of x is going to equal S of 2 plus h minus S of 2 divided by h. And so we know our results for this. So this is going to be 15 plus 8h plus h times h minus 15 all over h. And that is, and let's write the limit up front, and that's when the limit of h goes to 0. Let's have that marinate there. So 15 minus 15 will cancel out. So now we have f prime of x is equal to 8h plus h times h all over h. And then again, we want to put the limit as h goes to 0. We'll rewrite this. So f prime of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of 8h plus h times h all over h. So now f prime of x is equal to the limit of h goes to 0, and we can factor out an h, and then we will be left with 8 plus h all over h, and then an h will cancel out. So f prime of x will equal the limit of h goes to 0, and then of 8 plus h So now f prime of x will equal the limit of h goes to 0 of 8 plus 0, which equals 8. So we found the instantaneous velocity. So if you need math help, text 559-744-3169. We'll rewrite that again. 559-744-3169 for services. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.